here we go. So this is another reinstall house over in Pearland. A little bit of a fun one. Wrap it this direction. See a missing bulb right here, so we know that goes there and wraps around this guy. Always try my best to put one right at the very tip top of the peak. Make it look pretty. The old incandescents on this house used 7 watts per bulb, and these new LEDs use about 0.4 watts per bulb. Don't put that guy right there. Loop her around, plug her in, tuck it back behind our gutter so it's not